Ever wonder what your future self would say if you could time travel back to your 20s? If Reddit is any clue, it would probably start with, "Why on earth didn't you invest earlier?" One person put it bluntly, "I'm in my 40s, and I only started investing 3 years ago. Every time I open a compound interest calculator, I feel physically sick." Imagine that the only thing standing between him and early retirement was a couple $100 a month back in his 20s. That's not just a regret, that's a lifelong consequence. Another Redditor admitted, "I blew so much money in my 20s just trying to live my best life. New phones, eating out, drinks every weekend. Now I'm in my 30s with basically nothing saved. And I wish I had just put $100 a month into an index fund." It's funny, right? We all love to show off the latest gadgets or flex on Instagram. But you know what's actually worth showing off? Financial freedom, the ability to not stress about bills every month. Then there's the classic excuse, waiting until student loans are gone. Someone shared, "I didn't invest because I wanted to pay off my loans first. Now I'm 35, the loans are gone." But so is 10 years of compound growth. The painful truth is, there's never a perfect time to start. If you're waiting for life to feel stable, good luck. Life always throws something new at you. Others had a different regret, chasing hype instead of being consistent. One guy admitted, "I spent my 20s gambling on crypto and meme stocks instead of just buying boring old SP 500. If I had just stayed consistent, I'd be way richer right now." Ouch. That one hits hard. Turns out, boring investing is usually the smartest move. And here's another one that stuck with me. A woman wrote, "I used to think investing was only for rich people. I didn't realize you could start with just a few dollars. Now I'm in my late 30s, finally learning about it, and I feel like I wasted 15 years. That mindset that investing is only for people with money has kept so many people on the sidelines. But the truth? Investing is how you build wealth, not something you wait to do after you already have it. Almost every regret boils down to the same lesson. Time is your best asset. The earlier you start, the less effort you actually need. Let's put it into perspective. If you invest just $200 a month starting at age 22, by the time you're 60, you could have close to $500,000, even if you never increase the amount. But if you wait until you're 35 to start, you'd have to put away more than double every month to end up with the same amount. That's the power of time. And once it's gone, you can't get it back. And here's what's interesting. Most of these Redditors weren't talking about wanting to be millionaires or buying sports cars. Their regrets weren't about missing out on getting rich. It was about missing out on peace of mind. The freedom to say yes to opportunities, or to simply not panic every time an unexpected bill shows up. So, if you're in your 20s right now, the message couldn't be clearer. Don't wait. You don't need thousands of dollars. Even 50 or 100 a month can change your future. And if you're watching this in your 30s or 40s, hey, it's not too late. The second best time to start is today. What about you? Do you regret not investing earlier? Or did you actually start young? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to feature some in a future video. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe for more money and investing stories, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Because if there's one thing these Redditors have taught us, it's this. You'll never regret starting early, but you will regret waiting.